everybody, welcome to week 5 of the Crafty Manipulators Facebook group Craft Kit Collaboration. And this week is bag toppers, and I am still using the She's Magic collection, and I love how these came out, so let me share them with you. So the dies I used are these 3 here and the biggest one here. And did I do 2? Yep, the biggest 2 here. So that is what I use. This is from Alina Craft, and I don't know where these guys are from. Okay, so let's get to it. So I have pre-folded all the circles for you guys on the actual bag topper, and then the part that goes over the top is just a half of it. Okay, so the back is not covered. All right, so what we're going to do is decide which side you want to put the overlap on. It will never match exactly along here, so you're going to have to pick where you want it to go. So, and then the other pieces you're going to have are the sentiment, the flowers, and the little pearly pieces. So let me see where I like it. So if you go on this side, your tag might, you might want to put it like something like that, so you still see the flag portion. I'm going to go on the other side again, so I'm going to use my glue gun and add some glue. These are super simple. I think the most complicated one I did was the shaker, because I usually sew my shaker, so that one was a little bit out of the norm for me.
Okay.
I am going to glue my pink flower here and my aqua flower here. Then this is a stamp from Simon Says Stamps, and then I put it on some foam. Yours will all come pre-made like this, and I put some of this pen on it, the sparkle pen from Spectrum Noria, and then I'm going to put some hot glue on this. And then I'm just going to tuck it in where I like. Up there. So there we go on that. And then I'm going to grab my blings. Okay. So I think I had these white ones for the flower centers, but you're not going to be using them for the flower centers, but they'll still be in the package, I think. Let me look. No, okay, so those were just for the flower centers. Okay, so what you'll get in yours is these guys here. So then you can just place these wherever you want. And you can use whatever kind of glue you like. Clearly I should have used wet glue since I am about as nimble as a rock. Okay, there we go. These beads you can find in a package at Michael's with other ones in it, other colors in it that are super cute too. And that's it, easy peasy. Super fast, goes together. I think, like I said, the hardest one is the shaker that I made. So that is that, and I will come back and do a recap of all of my stuff at the end of this when I have it all packaged up to show you. But this is how these will come packaged, pre-packaged with all the things you will need in them, and they will be in a bigger package. And I appreciate you guys so much. Friends, we are at the end of our craft kit collaboration for the Crafty Manipulators Facebook group, and I wanted to show you everything I made and how it will come packaged. So this was week 1, and this was flowers. And with some of the kits, I made a slight error when I did my original videos, but I'll correct it and show you what I did to correct it. So flowers, I did this one right. You have your 2 flowers and enough to make 6 additional flowers, and that's week 1, and this is how I put this together. Then you have week 2, and this is cards, and I did make a mistake on this. I was supposed to do 1 sample, and you guys were supposed to be, my partner's supposed to be able to make 4 more, not 3 more, so for a total of 5 cards, and I did include an additional one at the back here. Okay, so that's week 2. Week 3 was tags, so this is how these will come packaged, and you were supposed to be able to make an additional tag, so 4 tags, not 3 tags. So I have fixed that, and that is there. The next week was banners, and you were supposed to be able to make 4 banners, not 3. So I made the additional kit for the extra banner, but you will choose what you put on that banner. So the banner will still spell joy, but you can decide what you want to put on the extra banner or leave it blank. It'll still have the birdie and all that and all the trimmings, but you decide what you put on it. And the last week, of course, is bag toppers. And I just made the extra bag toppers. So you will have 1 sample and then 4 bag toppers to make. And those went together super easily. Okay, so my partner will have all that coming to them. And how I packaged it all together, I didn't have anything that would really put it all in one bag that I was, like, without it squishing. So I put it in 2 of these bags I have from Daiso. So they will come packaged like this and then go in a flat mail envelope. So half of the kit is in here and half of the kit is in here. And you just pull on the ribbon and you can get your goodies out, or you can leave them in here. So I love how this came out. I love doing this collaboration. And remember, if you would like to win one of these kits, the full set, you must be a subby, 18 or older, live in the USA, have liked and commented on every video in this collaboration, and I will do a drawing within the next, I want to say, about a week. I am going up to Utah at the end of this next week for Friday through Monday, so it might be after that. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, for commenting on my videos, for being subscribers and a part of this kit collaboration. And thank you, Crafty Manipulators, for hosting this. This was really fun. Take care, everybody. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.